In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 5 FPS and stutter issues. So you can do this by first opening the launcher. So if you're using Steam or Epic Games, just whatever you're using, just open it. And I'm going to do this as an example for this game. You can follow the same steps for Battlefield. Right click on the three dots on Battlefield and then manage, and then you want to go to the location of the folder. So once you're in the location, you want to find the game. It will say battlefield.exe, and you right click properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimization, and then click apply and then OK. After that, you want to go here to settings and then type in graphics. So here, go to advanced graphics and enable hardware accelerated GPU. So then go to gaming and then enable game mode. Next thing, go to run, then type in %temp%, then press enter. Select all of these folders and then delete them. After deleting them, you want to clean the desk, so just type desk cleanup and then select everything here and then click OK, and this should fix your error.